Unlock the secrets to hooking into more redfin perch with these killer float fishing tactics. First, choose the right float. Waggler floats are great for distance, while stick floats excel in rivers. Match the float size to the weight of your bait and the depth you're fishing. Attach the float to your line using float rubbers or silicone sleeves. Space them out so the float sits correctly in the water. Next, bait up. Redfin love worms, maggots, and small lures. Hook the bait securely for better presentation and hook sets. Before casting, plumb the depth. You want your bait to be just off the bottom or suspended in the strike zone. Adjust your float until your bait is at the desired depth. Target areas with structure like weeds, reeds, and fallen trees. Redfin often hide in these spots. Watch your float closely. A slight twitch or a sudden dip means a fish is interested. Set the hook with a firm upward sweep of your rod. Finally, reel in your catch smoothly and carefully. Handle the redfin with care and release it responsibly. If you're practicing catch and release, now get out there and start float fishing for redfin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishing tips. #float fishing, #REDFIN Perch.